I'm so excited. I'm overwhelmed to know that I'm going to be walking across this stage to receive my high school diploma with something that's way, way overdue. My granddaughter tutored me. My son helped me out. And on days when I was like, oh, I just can't do this, they motivated me and they pushed me to say, no, you have to finish this year. And they just made me be even more proud of myself. It has opened doors for I have better job opportunities. I can hire my education. I can go to college now in the fall. I will be starting St. Louis Community College, majoring in behavioral health support. I can't explain it. It's like I'm breathless. There's no words to explain it other than saying I'm just so proud of myself that I accomplished a big achievement in my life.